Hi guys, this is just a quick video of the RPM sensor that I've made up, or RPM gauge if you like, that I'm going to fit into the FPV cockpit. Just using a micro servo and the needles connected to the second last output spline, just to give it almost a 360 movement, because I found the previous one was just on the main output spline, which didn't move enough and wasn't really what I wanted. I have got the outputs, the main output spline is connected to a sort of what do you call it, a red or orange disc, just to give something interesting to look at the top of the RPM sensor. Housing itself is just black cardboard, obviously weathered, the same as the plane, and a wee sort of a data plate, if you like, to look like it's made of metal. But yeah, so I might, mount this on the top of the dash. Previously I had it underneath, but I think on top of the dash it will look quite interesting. So there you go. Thanks for watching.